Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement carousel slider in your Flutter application. First of all, go to the pop.dev link and search for carousel slider, and you will get this carousel slider link over here, and click on this link and go to this installing tab, and copy this code and open up your project, Flutter project, and go to the terminal and paste it here and hit enter, and it will add this carousel package over here in your app. Okay, now let's drag some images to the lib folder like this, and here are some images in this images folder. Okay, now let's set this images path to this pubspec.yaml over here. Lib slash images, this images folder, and close this file. We do not need that anymore. Now let's delete this counter app from here, and let's make the stateless widget here, and let's change the class name to my app like this, and let's return here material app here, and let's give the home to this material app. And first of all, let's create new file, homepage.dart. Okay, now here let's create a stateless widget, and let's change this class name to homepage, and let's return here scaffold. Let's give the body to this scaffold. Let's give it column to the body of this scaffold, and let's give the event to this column. Now let's return this home page to the home of the material app. Now save it, and we'll get this blank screen. Now let's remove this debug banner also from here and make it false to this debug so set banner, and close this file. We do not need that anymore. Now let's create the list for this images as a string like this: final images lib slash images slash image1.jpg. Okay, make the list of these images link. Okay, save it, and let's call here carousel slider builder. This one, carousel slider builder. Okay, now let's keep the item count according to this images length. Images list dot length. Okay, now let's return here. Let's return here images that we are going to this list in the assist image.assist widget as a list like this. Okay, now let's give the option carousel options. Give the height for the carousel like 300, and save it. Now here you can see the carousel slider like this. Now let's make it good. Okay, first of all, let's wrap this image. First of all, let's make the column main axis alignment to the center. Okay, and it will display in the center. Now let's wrap this image with the size box. Let's give the width also. This I'm going to give it 250, and all the images width will be 250. Now let's fill the image according to the height. Let's make it box fit box fit dot cover. Okay, now it will look good. And here you can adjust autoplay, making it true. Autoplay property, you can make it true, and it will slide automatically like this. And you can also give the duration for this autoplay duration to in days, hours, microsecond, milliseconds, minutes. I'm going to set it to 3 seconds maybe, and it will slide after 3 seconds like this. Okay, and here are other some properties you can see by yourselves. And one important property is you can enlarge the center page by making it true, and this will make the center page larger like this. Also, you can keep the border circular just by wrapping this image with the clip or wrapped widget, and you can give the border radius dot circular like 23, and it will make the border radius of the images circular like that. Okay, now also you can give the pagination by yourself. Let's make the row here, and let's give the children to this row, and let's create a text button or elevated button. Let's give the child a text. Let's set this to previous. Okay, let's give the padding of white 14, and let's copy this text button over here, paste it here, and let's set it to next. Okay, now you can give the controller carousel slider controller, and okay, keep the carousel slider controller like this, carousel control. Page. And now initialize it here. This controller like this. Okay, now you can set the pagination over here in this onTrace function by just making it dot next, and save it. You can make this previous because it's the previous button, and over here let's make it Next page. Okay, now let's make this autoplay. Uh, let's make it main axis alignment center. Save it. Okay, guys, this is how you can implement the carousel slider in Flutter application, and also make the pagination for this carousel slider. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.